cryptocurrency. Dogecoin. DOGE. Dogecoin is a decentralized, peer-to-peer digital currency from the Litecoin blockchain, that allows users to easily transfer money online. It has many of the same functions as Litecoin. However, unlike Litecoin, there is no limit to how many Dogecoin can be produced. Users can mine their own Dogecoin or join the mining pool. Doge token is powered by Stellar efficiently. Any applications built on top of Stellar with Doge tokens can be easily audited by developers, which makes Doge tokens more reliable and cannot be attacked with 51% attack. As the video was made, the supply reached 128.4 billion Doge. Its market cap became 6.9 billion. Dogecoin was founded by Markus and Jackson Palmer, and forked out of Litecoin in December 2013. Dogecoin started out as a parody currency, but has gained prominence as cryptocurrencies have become more popular.